Hello friend, my name is Bobby Gohel and welcome to the Ocean of Testing. Today we are looking into the how we can generate a chat bot by using the n8n agent. Whenever you log into the system, that times these types of interface open. Simply click on the create workflow button. Simply these types of interface open. Simply click on the first step. So there is a trigger node. So simply type chat trigger node, simply click on the chat and click on the first chat event. So close this event and our chat node is added over here. Simply click on this button and add the AI agent. So there is a first AI agent. Simply click on here and so AI agent contains the three things. First is a chat model. Chat model means LLM model. Second one is a memory to store our data, and tool. There is a tool if you need to add any tools, use any tools. So we need to add tool over here. So simply click on over here. First we need to add the chat model. So simply go over here and there is a open source chat models which gives you a free API for tool use. So simply click over here Groq and attach the Groq. Simply go over here and configure your Groq API key from here. So I already attached my Groq API key over here. So close this and simply I choose the 120 billion OpenAI GPT OSS model. So my model chat model is ready. So our workflow agent is ready. Simply click on the open the chat and type the hi message. So our AI agent will give the reply of the hi message. So my our AI agent gives the reply me to hello, how can I help you today? Let's understand the logic how it works. So whenever I type hi over here from the chat node, that hi goes to the AI agent. AI agent have a configure the chat models. So our chat model execute the hi and gives the reply to the our AI agent, and our AI agent gives the response over here. So it works like that. Sorry. And let's ask so many questions. What what is the day today? So what is the day today? It's gives go over here. It's a 14 April because of its correct answer. Currently I'm uploading the video at a 14 April, so it gives me a proper answer. If you gain knowledge, then please like this video, share with the friends, and subscribe my channel. Thank you.